back again with another reaction video. This time, we got a little bit of update about time on our boy A$AP Rocky. So, it's been a lot of back and forth. Courtroom from here, he say, she say, here say. We know how that go. But, we about to watch these videos and we about to see what's going on with this boy. What's up with this boy? They finna give him this time, or is they wasting our time? I mean, just let us know. We want to know. Rihanna want to know. I mean, just let us know. But let's get into it.
Losing arguments got underway. Not exactly a dream Valentine's Day for the couple. Riri arrived just moments after this drama happened inside the courtroom.
Lower your voice and don't yell at me. I told you before. I'll listen to what you say. Speak in a normal tone of voice.
The judge scolding attorneys who squabbled with each other.
One more thing out of him, and we air everything that's happened in this case. You should be, Joe.
Rihanna's man is facing 2 felony counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm, which comes with a potential 24-year prison sentence.
A$AP Rocky really rolled the dice in this case, and now he's looking at potentially many years in state prison. He was offered a 6-month deal, and because of the crowding in LA County jails, he would have already been out by now.
2 felony charges? And they offer you a plea deal? That was, what, a couple months? Bro, you must really think you innocent. But hey, I can't knock it. If you think you innocent, but you gotta be innocent. You taking that much of a risk. You turn down months to get years. 24 years? I ain't gonna lie, but if he gotta be innocent. He gotta feel like he innocent. But homeboy, that looked like that was you on that camera. I don't know. Let's go ahead and finish watching this.
Rihanna's star power has impacted the trial from day one.
Rihanna?
You was offered 6. A$AP. I said, A$AP. Months? You was offered 6 years, bro. 6 years. Either my math messed up, or I can't see. 6 years compared to 24 if you was to go to trial. I mean, the only way a fool would do that if he know he gonna win and he know he ain't guilty. I mean, that's all I gotta say. Because you ain't finna see me denying a plea deal for 6 months when they finna get my ass 24 years or 20 plus years for something I know I did do. But if I know I didn't do it, okay, I don't blame him. I
is going all out to help A$AP Rocky.
Potential jurors were asked if they listened to her music. Today was Rihanna's 6th appearance at court, and yesterday she brought in reinforcements.
Are you worried at all about the possible verdict?
Yeah, I know why they asking her if they listen to her music, because they don't want her fans to influence the trial, the jurors that's on the stand of the trial. So I understand that, but who you gonna have on trial? A bunch of non-African American females? Because almost every black person listens to Rihanna. I mean, but I don't know. They gotta have some foreign people or something. But
her 2 children with A$AP.
Gotta be old people.
It is unusual to see young children in court, but it's part and parcel of the defense strategy to get sympathy for Rocky.
The defendant, and certainly his significant other, are powerful individuals within the entertainment industry.
Just like that, man.
And they
Head and all.
certainly have enough power to cancel small players if that's what they want to do.
Another Rihanna connection? This music video for A$AP's
they
song
got that crazy look
DMB
to them,
features
both of them.
Riri.
That
The
smile
rapper
was
claims
evil.
he took a
I ain't
fake
even
gun
gonna
from
lie
the
to
set of
you.
the video months earlier to use for his personal security. The defense team's entire defense relies on this, arguing the victim was not shot with a real gun, but a prop gun.
Prop gun doesn't shoot bullets.
A$AP, are you worried?
Pause. Bro, is you weird or what? You took a fake gun. That doesn't even sound believable. A$AP, you want us to believe you and Rihanna made a music video and you took the fake prop gun for your own personal protection? We fake thugs out here. Be for real. Come on, bro. Be for real. It ain't no way you did that. It ain't no way. You want us to believe that? So we walking around here with water guns and fake shells. Nah. And then look, this look like this him in this video. Okay, pause it right here. You really finna be waving and weaving and carrying, and you're not finna see nobody trying to jump me or threatening my life, and I'm finna pull out a fake gun. Who am I scaring? Y'all or myself? Because if anything, I'm gonna be most scared knowing I got a fake gun, and if something do pop off, I'm gone, because this hoe don't work. Come on, Rocky. Come on. Let's rewind this back a little bit more to the part. What's that? 1, 2, 3 dudes? I don't know. What's going on here? He was shot with a prop gun. So did... I gotta read up on the story, y'all. Y'all tell me in the comments. Did he receive injuries? Or what? Because, you know, it's my first time watching this, first time seeing this. But we got a news coverage, too. Let's see what they talking about.
With us here on Live Now from Fox, I'm your host, Christina Evans. As promised before the 2-minute break, we are continuing our coverage of some of today's top stories. This next one, though, takes us all the way across the country from the Atlanta, Georgia
ASAP Rocky declines to testify in a felony assault trial.
Showing you a live shot of the skyline there. As we do
Bro,
know
why?
that there's new details that have emerged today. We've been closely
You plead
following
ill.
the ASAP
You
Rocky
denied to
case that's
testify.
happening right now in Los Angeles. And today, ASAP Rocky did waive his right to testify during this ongoing trial over accusations that he fired a gun at a former friend, ASAP Rocky. This was near a Hollywood hotel back in November of 2021. When he was in the court, the judge asked him, "Are you sure you want to give up your right to testify?" In which Rocky responded by saying, "I want
His
my
lawyer
right
must have told
to
him
not
that.
testify."
I hope your lawyer gets your best
the
interest,
words that
bro.
he says, and now to break down much more on what happened there in the courtroom, I want to bring in legal affairs journalist Megan Cuna, friend to the show. Megan, thanks so much for joining us. Of course, you've been in the courtroom as all of this is happening. So many headlines coming out as it pertains to this case. Let's first start off with the fact that ASAP decided not to testify today. This was news because it seemed like from his lawyer, Joe Tacopino, before on Friday that he might be taking the stand. Today didn't happen.
Dang, what is she,
I
she
think
looking
overall
at?
people aren't surprised
The
by
TV,
the decision
her,
not to testify just based
Open
on the
your eyes,
nature of the
homegirl.
case. But also the unique details of this case and kind of the bravado of Joe Tacopina made people think that perhaps he would take the stand. But I think there's always just so much at risk here. And the cross-examination on this would, of course, be the risk. And we've seen some cross-examination so far of defense witnesses that have gone on a lot longer than I think the defense anticipated and really got into some areas that I don't think they were expecting. So I don't think it's...
Rocky just sitting there calm.
Cross-examination so far of defense witnesses that have gone on a lot longer than I think the defense anticipated and really got into some areas that I don't think they were expecting. So I don't think it's really overall surprising that Rocky's not testifying.
Sitting there calm in that courtroom.
And when we're talking about this, of course, showing some of that video of ASAP Rocky being in court. Again, when you said that this has been an interesting case, we have to talk about the major piece of this case is that there hasn't been a lot of physical evidence. Again, they're saying that this was a prop gun that was fired. It wasn't a real gun. That's according to the defense. But the prosecutors, of course, saying this is a real gun. And you mentioned one of those witnesses who took the stand who was subject to cross-examination. ASAP Rocky, of course, he's the victim in this case as well. When you have all of these elements, can you sort of speak to what makes this case so unique and why folks are interested to see how
I want to know the outcome too, bro.
Outcome will come because he is still facing
he gonna feel salty
several
as
years
hell
in prison after declining to take a plea deal.
Yeah, one unique aspect of the case and something to talk about and something that the defense is definitely talking about is the fact that the victim, Relly, is recovered his own shell casings. The police searched the area. They responded to 911 calls. They didn't find anything. They weren't searching only for shell casings. They were looking for any evidence of a shooting. They didn't find anything. Relly said he went back with his girlfriend to look for the area. To look
There's no
for the
evidence,
casings.
bro.
Recovered
That's why
2
Rocky didn't take that
9mm
deal.
shell casings because he said he knew right where to look. there's no surveillance video of him
Nah,
doing that. And
you didn't know where to look. You planted
It
that.
sounds like police basically
took
bro. An hour of surveillance video thinking that they'd gotten it, and then it turned out not to be him. And later on, they don't have the surveillance video of that. So that's something that the defense is working with, and it involves...
if it ain't no shell cases, there's no evidence.
They're saying that Relly had to have planted these shell casings, but Relly also texted Rocky photos of the shell casings about 11:55 p.m., maybe an hour and a half after the shooting, a photo on the ground. So it would be a pretty elaborate process for Relly. There's a
but the
video
cop searching didn't see it.
A shooting range a few weeks before shooting a gun, possibly a 9mm. It was never really said, but the theory would be that he somehow kept those shell casings, went back to New York with them, or kept them here in Los Angeles. Then when he returned, he had them ready to try to set Rocky up, knowing that he would fire a prop gun at him, and then he could take these shell casings and say, hey, he used a real gun. It might be more likely that the jury actually believes it's a real gun here, where that's basically what the deliberations are going to come down to. Do they think the gun is fake or not?
And it's been so interesting. Also, Megan, you put this up on your X account as well, showing some of the other witnesses who've also taken the stand. So this is A$AP Rocky's tour manager, Lou Levin. They're testifying that the Glock 43 magazine that was discovered in Rocky's home, that's a piece of the evidence that the prosecution has brought up. It was actually his. They say Levin, though, doesn't own a Glock 43, but he testified that he mistakenly bought the magazine for his Glock 42, then left it at Rocky's house. I have to ask you, as this case is getting so many twists and turns, and
that's what I said. This stuff messy, bro. What?
He said, she said. Is this another element that sort of shocked you when you were watching in court, that this was brought to the forefront?
Well, the defense has put on some witnesses that
you stuttering to it. We don't even need to hear no more.
To be believed.
Anyways, we know how it works when these celebrities got money. Look at Diddy. Look at Dirk. I love Dirk, but look at Diddy. Look at Dirk. Look at all these other celebrities, bro. You got money. Look at Donald Trump. Bro, when you got money, and his girlfriend's Rihanna, A$AP Rocky finna get off this. He finna get off it. He finna get off it. I'm telling you, it's too much bull crap all over the place. Evidence is just not clear. Like, your girlfriend's Rihanna. Oh, man. I wouldn't be surprised if he got found not guilty. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But my thing is, why would you take the shell cases from the crime scene? I'm pretty sure that's what they said. Your homeboy, you knew he shot at you. The police missed it. You knew where they were. You went back and get him. You took him back to New York for what? Now you're messing with evidence. Like, whew. Man, these celebrities begin they stuff some stuff. I don't understand. Y'all got all this money. Y'all still want to live that thug life. I don't understand. But it ain't up to me. It ain't my problem. I'm just here to react to them. But that's it for this video, y'all know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all let me know if he guilty. Y'all think he guilty or he innocent. Y'all let me know. Because right now, I feel like all this is just mess. It's just all over the place. Pieces here, pieces there, pieces there. The man might as well be innocent. I mean, he got to be innocent to do what he done. But that's it for that video. Like any other time, I'll see y'all in the next video. So then, y'all get off my camera. Bye.